How to delete your Gemini chat history on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear your past conversations from the app. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. At this point, you'll see all your past conversations listed there. Following this, to delete a single conversation, long press on the chat you want to remove. After that, tap Delete from the options that appear and confirm to remove it. From here, if you want to delete all your conversations at once, tap your profile at the bottom of the sidebar. At this stage, tap Settings, then tap Gemini Apps Activity. Following this, tap Manage Activity to open your full conversation history. After that, tap the three dots or the Delete option to delete all activity at once and confirm. Finally, your entire Gemini chat history will be wiped from your Google account. Keep in mind that once deleted, your conversations cannot be recovered, so make sure you don't need anything from a chat before clearing it out. That's how you delete your Gemini chat history on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.